Well, buying the right refrigerator is a big decision. Making the wrong choice could end up costing you big in the end. Jeanette Pavini tells us what to consider in today's Better Ways to Save.
If you have a refrigerator that was made before 2001, it uses more energy than a newer model. You can save quite a bit on your energy bills by buying a newer version. But here are a few things to keep in mind. Side-by-side refrigerators use more energy than top or bottom mount models. Refrigerators with an Energy Star label exceed minimum federal requirements for energy efficiency. When deciding on the kind of refrigerator you want, make sure to consider the inside as well as the outside. Is it easy to clean and change the positions of the shelves? How easy is the outside finish to keep shining? Once you've researched brands and models, check out manufacturers' websites for special offers. Check warehouse stores and others for special sales. Some stores specialize in last year's models, overstock, and open box discounts. Your energy company could offer a rebate, and there are online promotions and discounts available for many major appliances. You should also consider the cost of a warranty, installation, and disposal of your old fridge. Now, while technology is making refrigerators more efficient, you can save a lot of money by keeping the door closed, removing dust from below and behind, getting rid of high wattage light bulbs inside, and stocking the refrigerator so it's 2/3 full instead of empty or overflowing.
Great advice, Jeanette. Thanks. On Friday, we'll learn how to save on a new oven for your kitchen.